I am your child's 7th grade aerospace science teacher this year. This year in our class, we'll be covering the following in our curriculum. We'll be covering Earth systems, layers of the Earth, rock cycle, geologic time, plate tectonics, the water cycle, weather and climate, human impacts, Earth, Sun, and Moon, and the universe. So far in our classes, we have covered Earth systems and layers of the Earth. In my class, we'll be using Canvas for our curriculum this year. Please refer to the Current Assignment tab on my homepage for each day's lessons, notes, and assignment. Right here, you'll see a screenshot of what your child would see on my homepage. As you see, about in the middle of the page, I have 3 moons. The red arrows here are pointing to the one that says Current Assignments. That's what you're going to click. It's going to take you to your daily lessons, notes, and assignments. To contact me, the best way to contact me is going to be through email. So you can email me at gallim@leonschools.net, or you can message me through Canvas. For grades, please check Focus for up-to-date grades. I update grades every 2 to 3 days, so I recommend checking Focus with your child about once a week. For extra help, there are help videos on my daily agenda page. You can also email me with any questions you have, and if needed, we can set up a Zoom meeting.